हेलो गाइस, अभी तक हम लोग ए टू क्यू लेटर में 1276 वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस कवर कर चुके हैं। इस वीडियो में देखेंगे आर लेटर के वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। रिकॉन्ट्यूर, मजेदार कहानियां सुनाने वाला। रेडिएशन, एक्ट ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग आउटवर्ड फ्रॉम अ सेंट्रल सोर्स। रेडिकल, अ पर्सन हु एडवोकेट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स पॉलिटिकल और सोशल चेंज। रेडियोलॉजिस्ट, मेडिकल डॉक्टर हु स्पेशलाइज इन डायग्नोजिंग डिजीज यूजिंग एक्सरे, सिटी स्कैन एंड अल्ट्रासाउंड। रेडियोलॉजी, the science dealing with X-ray and other high energy radiation, especially for the diagnosis and treatment of disease. Rancid, basi, having a stale smell or taste. Rancorous, शत्रुतापूर्ण, characterized by bitterness or resentment. Rancorous, शत्रुतापूर्ण. Ransom, फिरौती, to free prisoner on payment. Rapacious, अति लोभी, greedy for money. Rebate, छूट, reduction in tax or debt. Recant, मुकर जाना, to take back, withdraw or renounce. Receptacle, पात्र, a hollow object used to contain something. Recipient, प्राप्तकर्ता, one who receives something. Reciprocate, विनिमय करना, give and receive mutually. Recluse, बैरागी, a person who withdraws from the world to live in seclusion and often in solitude. Rectify, सुधारना, correct, amend. Rectilineal, सीधा, when something moves in a straight line. Red tapeism, लाल फीताशाही, a process involving too many official formalities. Redundant, अनावश्यक. Referendum, an act when people vote in order to make a decision about a particular subject or policy rather than voting for a person. Reflex, अनैच्छिक क्रिया. Reformism, the system which is observed to do progress. Refugee, शरणार्थी, person who has been forced to leave his country home because there is a war or for political, religious or social reasons. Regalia, पदक, तमका, dress with medals, ribbons worn at official ceremonies, symbols of royalty. Regicide, राज्य हत्या, act of killing a king. Rehabilitate, restore someone to health or normal life after imprisonment, addiction or illness. Rejuvenated, younger looking skin. Relapse, fall back or sink again into a worse state after an improvement. Relic, avshesh, a deceased holy person's remains or belonging keep for reverence. Remand, jail, वापसी, send back a criminal into custody for further investigation. Reminded, याद दिलाना, to brought back to mind. Reminiscence, स्मरणक, a characteristic of one thing that is suggestive of another. Remorse, having a feeling of guilt. Remuneration, amount paid to a man for his labor. Rendition, remuneration, amount paid to a man for his labor. Rendition, artistic, musical or dramatic interpretation. Renegade, पाखंडी. Renovate, restore something to a better condition. Repatriation, स्वदेश लौटना, द रिटर्न ऑफ समवन टू हिज ओन कंट्री. रिपेंटेंस, पछतावा, अटोनमेंट फॉर वंस सिंस. रिप्लेनिश, फिर से भरना. रेप्लिका, नकल. रिप्राइव, पोस्टपोनिंग और रिमिटिंग पनिशमेंट. रेप्टाइल्स, वर्टिब्रेट एनिमल्स दैट क्रॉल ऑन ग्राउंड. रिपल्सिव, घिनौना, काउजिंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसलाइक. Reserved, संकोची, someone who is silent or uncommunicative in speech. Reservoir, जलाशय, a large natural or artificial lake used as a source of water supply. Resilient, लचीला. Respiration, the process by means of which plants and animals breathe. Respite, postponement or delay permitted in the suffering of a penalty or the discharge of an obligation. मोहलत. Retaliate, tit for tat, बदला लेना. Reticent, अल्पभाषी, a person very reserved in speech. Retrace, दोहराना. Retreat, पीछे हटना. Withdraw from a forward position in battle. Retrospection, action of reviewing past events in one's life. Revamp, मरम्मत करना, to renovate or improve. Reveille, जगाने का बिगुल, a tune that is played to wake soldiers in the morning. Revel, आनंद लेना, take great pleasure. Reverent, श्रद्धापूर्ण ढंग से, feeling or showing deep and solemn respect. Revile, गाली देना, criticize in an abusive or angrily insulting manner. Rhetoric, शब्दाडंबर, meaningless language with an exaggerated style intended to impress, or the art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing. Rhinologist, specialist in disease of nose. Richter, scale used for measuring the strength of an earthquake. Ridicule, उपहास, full of criticism and mockery. Rigid, कठोर, one who has fixed opinions and beliefs, or hard and difficult to bend. Rites, संस्कार, solemn religious acts. रोटंडा गोल घर, सर्कुलर बिल्डिंग और हॉल विद अ डोम, रुइंस खंडहर, रश जल्दीबाजी करना। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट में एस लेटर के वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस के साथ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।